Margaret, I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Lexington Medical. I've been here for about almost 2 years at this point. I came here right out of college, have a degree in mechanical engineering, but yeah, I work as a manufacturing engineer, but I do kind of a little bit of everything, do a little bit of design for our automation fixtures here. I do a little bit of implementation of processes, working with the wonderful operators we have to get them trained up and work with them to resolve problems as they come up, work with quality a little bit. We do a lot of new product introduction here, so everyone has a piece of the pie in that, making sure we can get new products out the door to surgeons as fast as possible and get feedback from the field. I think that the day-to-day, I feel like, maybe things aren't changing, but then when I think back to what the line looked like when I first started, it's crazy. Like, we have pretty much double the capacity that we had when I first started. And a lot of our machines have, moved up a generation. They're totally different and they have a lot of improvements on them. And so it's really cool to think like where we might be in a year from now and how much could change in that time. It's interesting because we do make all of our machines in-house, like machines that do the difficult parts like putting staples in and stuff. We make those all here. So I work with our engineering team to design and kind of, I serve as like a customer for a lot of our fixtures, but then also, have to do some of the nitty-gritty design and integration work myself. So I do observe, what's happening on the line, where could we improve our processes, what should that next generation look like so that we're not just building replicas of machines that are, maybe not the best we can do. I saw them in the clean room when I did my tour as an interviewee, but I think I didn't realize, like we're one of the few companies that like when we say like made in the USA, like we mean it. Like we make everything here, we touch every part of the process here. There is no product that goes out into the field that we as a company have not literally put our hands on and our eyes on. We hold ourselves very accountable. I know we like to pitch Lexington Medical as this like fast forward company, and we are, but at the same time, I think there's another side to Lexington Medical that maybe doesn't get talked about as much, and that's the side that's doing the hard work of making sure that the day-to-day is good. It's fun to talk about the cool stuff, but to me, what makes Lexington Medical unique is that we hold ourselves really accountable for the product that we have. We like people of any skill level. We like to teach people new things. We like to get new ideas. So if anyone's looking for a cool place to work where you get to have a lot of freedom and a lot of flexibility, I'd say definitely check us out.